Hello everyone, welcome back with the ZW3D Basic Design tutorial for exercise number 7. Okay, first in here we can create new drawings. You can click new and you can use standard parts and you can click OK. The next I will create new sketch. You can click front plane and I will click OK. I will create circles start from this point and we can set for radius into 24. Next I will create line with draw tools from this point into here, and we can set for distance with these tools, dimension, quick dimension. Here we can set into 70. Okay, you can use offset command with offset distance 10. Select this line object and select this circles. We can draw line start from this point into here, create again from this point into here. Okay, now you can use a trim command. You can use these tools, power trim, to cut the circles, and also we cut at this point. We already create this symbol to the sketch, and then we can draw again with draw tools from this point to the top. Move to the left and click at this point. You can set dimension for this line into 40. And you can click again in here, we can set into 40. The next from this point into here, we can set into 30. Okay, now we can use a fillet command. You can set for radius into 10. We can select at these two lines. The next we can fillet at this point. Okay, now we can create circle start from this point. We can set for radius in here, you can set into 8. The next we set distance with this quick dimension from this point into here. You can set into 20, and then from this point into here we can set into 15. Now you can close sketch by clicking this exit tools. In here, to convert into 3D models, we can use extrusion tools. Okay, you can click here extrude, and I will select this sketch. The next you can use this face tool. We can select this region, and I will extrude into 60 mm with one side, and you can click OK. The next we can active for sketch 1. You can right click in it and click unblank, and then we can use extrude again. Select this sketch. Don't forget to use this option. You can select this region. The next we can extrude about 10. Now you can click OK to apply. In it we can create new dentum plane. Okay, you can click here, click dentum plane. For geometry, I will select in this center point. Okay, you can orbit, and I will click in here. Now you can click OK, so it will be automatically create new dentum plane. The next you can use mirror tools. You can click here, mirror geometry. For entity, you can select this extrude to base. Now for plane, you can select this plane. You can click OK. So it will be automatically mirror. To combine these three objects, you can use add shape. Select base object, this for base, and for add you can select these two objects. Click OK. So it will be automatically combined. Now in here we can use fillet tools. You can click fillet. We can set for radius into 30, and for edge you can select this edge also at this point. Okay. The next we can draw circle at this face. We can select this face and create a sketch. The next we can create circle start from this center point, and we can set for radius into 12. Now you can use extrude tools with this circle. We can set into cut, and then you can click OK. Now we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 7 with ZW3D software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.